In this video I'm going to show you how to ask anonymous question on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your App Store and there hit on search, and in the search type in NGL and find that application called NGL Anonymous Q&A and then download and install it. After that, open that application, hit on Get Questions, and there you have to create your personal username, so you can type in there anything you want, like test snap, for example, and there hit done. So now you got your personal link for your anonymous question. You can hit copy link. That now it says that link is copied, and after that you can go to Snapchat and there create a snap, so you can use your camera or you can hit on that memories icon to start creating a snap. You can use a picture, then you can hit there on pencil icon to be able to attach there a link. So in order to attach that link, you need to hit there on paperclip icon, and there at that field just paste their URL that you just copied and hit go, and now there hit on attach to snap, and here is it, the link. You can change its size, you can change its position, and also now there you can add some text. Hit on text icon and there type in ask me anonymous question and then hit done. So now you can change the position of that text just above your link, so everyone will know that they need to click on that link to ask you anonymous question. And after that you can continue creating that snap as you normally would, and then when you're ready you can send this snap, for example, to your story like that, and then your friends will be able to ask you for some anonymous question. That's how it works on Snapchat, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.